So the first type of Android dialog that we're going to talk about today is the alert dialog. And the alert dialog is basically your all-purpose dialog. It is the dialog that you're probably going to use the most in your Android applications because it's going to provide the most common set of functionality. Some good uses for the alert dialog are things like just showing a status message of what's going on to your user, or getting an OK cancel type of question, a yes no type of answer, or some kind of simple selection. Maybe you have a multiple choice selection, or you need to have the user check one or two items. Basically, those types of things are what the alert dialog is designed to do, and it's designed to do this with minimal effort. It makes it really easy to do. There's a builder class that you can use to create an alert dialog and to set buttons and do these kind of things that is actually very simple to use. The alert dialog basically has some limitations though, which is that you can have 1, 2, or 3 buttons. You really can't do more than that. Usually that's going to work for most of the things that you're trying to do. If you think about the 3-button situation, you usually have something like yes, no, or cancel. So, and then in most other cases, you'd only have 2 buttons or 1 button, just an OK. You can also create a selectable list in the alert dialog. So what I mean by that is you could have, say, an alert dialog that said pick a color, red, green, or blue, and then the user would be able to pick a color. So it really is a useful dialog, and you'll find that it's a general all-purpose dialog.